Hola chicos, today's lesson is going to be on the comparatives and superlatives. Comparisons, comparing one or more people, taller, shorter, I'm taller than Samantha. Superlatives would be I'm the tallest of the class. So in English, we have some words, short adjectives such as tall, and you would just add an ER to translate, taller than. But sometimes we have some long adjectives in English, like intelligent. You wouldn't say intelligenter. You would say I am more intelligent. So that's what these phrases are going to translate to. So if you want to use I am taller than or something more than, you would use the phrase más blank que. So if you are taller than, you would say más alto que. So más meaning more, que is going to give you that comparison, and then in the middle is going to be the adjective. So más alto que. So here you have this example, and it says ella es más alta que su hermana. You're comparing her and her sister. She is taller than her sister. So again, más blank que, you're going to put an adjective in here. Tall, short, funny, smaller, faster. If you want to show inferiority, so maybe you're not taller, maybe you're shorter. In Spanish, we don't say more, we would write in a way more short, right? So in Spanish, we have this phrase menos que. Más que means more than, menos que means less or fewer. So this can also compare. I have less money than you. Menos meaning fewer or less. This word in the middle will always change, and then que is going to give you that word then. So a superlative in Spanish is going to be like winning an award. You're not comparing anybody. You're just the number one. So we're going to take this word mejor que, and anytime you see it, you need to know that it means better than. So mejor que. Samantha is better than Juan. Then here, to say someone's the best, you're going to take the word, and instead of using this word que without the accent mark means then, you're just going to say el mejor, la mejor. El meaning the best. So I am the best student. If you want to say someone is worse than you at something, you would say peor que. So again, peor meaning worse, que meaning than. Math class is worse than Spanish. To say someone is the worst, you would take that article el or la and put peor. So she is the worst friend. Maybe she didn't buy you stickers. To say something is older than, you're going to use the word mayor que. Mayor meaning older, que meaning than. My brother is older than I. So this word then, anytime you see que, you want to see that you're comparing two things. But if you want to say someone's the oldest student in the class, you would say el or la mayor. So instead of having it as a comparison, you're now having it as a superlative. Joseph is the oldest brother. Sarah is the oldest sister. If you want to say someone is younger than, menor que. So I want you guys to treat this just as vocabulario. Menor que is always going to be younger than. And if you want to say the youngest, you're going to take the word la or el and menor. Nicholas is the youngest brother. Anna is the youngest sister. So again, menor que means younger than. Equality. So superlatives, comparisons, and then we have equality. What if someone is as tall as you? Or what if someone has as many dogs as you? Okay. Tan como is going to translate as blank as. So if you want to say as tall as, alto. Alto is an adjective describing. But if you want to use as many or as much as, for example, this would use with nouns. I have as many dogs as you. So yo tengo tantos perros como, and then you would be used. The difference with tan como and tanto, tanta, tantos, tantas is these will have to match the noun. So I'll show you an example. Adjectives. Tan como. A trick that I use, chicos, T-A-N-T-A-N-A-D-J. The abbreviation for adjective is 3 letters, so is tan. So you're always going to be looking for an adjective. Now, this does not have to match, because tan just means as. So we are as tired as they are. She is as tall as her sister. So again, tan como, you have to read the sentence and say, is this an adjective or is it going to be a noun, what we're going to see on the next page? Tanto, tanta, tantos, tantas, blank como. Elena lee tantos libros como yo. Elena reads as many books. Books is a noun, which is a person, place, or thing. This, chicos, does have to match. So nouns are always going to have to match their comparison. I have as much homework. Homework is a noun. It's not a descriptive word. So you want to make sure that this is connected. So really quick, chicos, a little summary about comparisons. Anytime you see the word que, it means then. You're probably going to have a phrase más blank que, more blank than, menos blank que, less blank than, menor que means younger than, mayor que, older than, mejor que, better than, and peor que, worse than. So I want you guys to really treat these as vocab words. And the last one that we just saw is tan blank como and tanto or a, os, or as blank como. And this is equality. So please check Schoology. I want you guys to complete an assignment, and that's what we're going to go over in the conference. Gracias, chicos.